welcome back to our channel. So today we have arrived at what is this?
Telharkund.
Telharkund. So as you can see, the magnificent view of this fall, waterfall, and we are enjoying this beauty. And we will take you through the remaining part of our journey.
I'm literally thrilled to be here today, and I just want you to show the scene, but unfortunately my phone is not literally working right now because this beautiness literally killed my camera. That's it. I'm really starving right now and I want to eat something delicious, but unfortunately we are broke today. And now we are heading towards our journey, and we will show you the different places here. And today I actually wore a heel, but this place is literally so hard to walk in. So instead of that, I wear my favorite slipper. Show our beautiful girl, please. Sir, kindly. Here, outfit check. You can see the combination of her clothes. It's literally so amazing, so fabulous. I just forgot it. Me too. Everglow. And I'm looking like a pink panda today. I know that. And so, wow.
Ready?
Yes. 3, 2, 1, go. We always you.